Hello, welcome to the Alley Cat Castle Show. Thank you for watching the first episode. And today's episode is all about love. Have you fallen in love before? Well, I've fallen in love with Skittles and makeup. So let me show you the tips and tricks on how to fall in love with makeup. I love you! And Skittles loves you too! So let's begin with makeup! Starting with Mercier Eye Basics Primer on the whole lid. Apply it with your fingers. As I've said, prime, prime, prime. It's prime time because if you don't, it's a big mistake. Huge mistake. Did you hear that? Huge mistake, just like a Pretty Woman. Then, applying MAC's Dusky Rose x9 in Pleasing to the Eye with Morphe brush M576 on your upper crease. Yes, my dear, there's an upper crease. It's like your transition color. Always remember, blend, blend, blend. Transition, transition, transition. Transitioning is very important. And this step is very important. Take it from me. And then, apply the same color Pleasing to the Eye with MAC 217 blending brush. And apply this right below the upper crease, which is called the middle crease, to ensure to lock in, to safeguard the look of the mid crease and the upper crease. We now proceed to line the eyes with Nars Eyeshadow in Bengali in brown with MAC's 263 synthetic small angle brush. So we start on the outer corner, a bit lifted, going thinner on the inner corner, and then connecting the ends to the wing liner, and then filling in the gaps. So very important, fill in the gaps. And of course, we only use one eyeshadow. Let's add another liner to the winged liner with MAC Fluidline and Blacktrack with the same MAC 263 angle brush, applying it towards the outer, going to the inner, just like the In-N-Out burger. In and out, in and out, yes! Am I the only one missing In-N-Out burger? And if two liners is not enough, let's bring in a third party, my all-time favorite, my boyfriend eyeliner, which is the Nars High Pigment Longwear Eyeliner in via Veneto and Black. I tell you, this liner stayed with me from 9 a.m. until 9 p.m. Did you hear that? It stayed with me for 12 hours. It's like a whole new world, a dazzling place I never knew. But now I'm way up here. It's crystal clear that now I'm in a whole new world with you. Girl, you so read my mind. Oh yes, it's time to clean up with the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion using a Q-tip on the edges. Yes, my dear, for us to be ready using the Estée Lauder Double Wear Correcting Concealer. So yes, for a precise wing, we're using the Estée Lauder's Double Custom Coverage Correcting Duo in Peach with Trish Mcevoy Brush 64 Cream Blender. Those lines are long, and tap it with your fingers. Yes, doing my finishing touches with MAC's Dusky Rose x9 Pleasing to the Eye eyeshadow with MAC 219 pencil brush. Girl, I know, wait for me, I'm almost there. See, I'm just finishing up. I'm almost there. Yes, almost there. And then finishing the look with a Nars eyeshadow in Bengali in brown with Morphe brush M508, applying it closer to the bottom lash line. What do you think? Do you think after this, I'm ready for the magic carpet ride? Will I have the same eyes as Princess Jasmine? But of course, it's never complete without lashes. So we're going to put our lashes. You attach it right in the middle of the lash line, and then you secure both ends, the inner and the outer. After securing both ends, you want to press it with the ends of a tweezer just to secure it. And here's the final look. Am I lovely? Thank you. So are you. And there you have it. Thank you for watching. I hope you've fallen in love all over again not just with makeup, but with life, with anything you want to do. So I hope if you like this, please press the thumbs up button and please make a comment. I would really love to hear from you so that I would know what ideas I can come up with the next episode. Follow me as well on Instagram, AllieCatCastle. Again, I and Skittles, we love you! We love you! I and Skittles love you!